Types of doctors. Doctor of heart.
Cardiologist.
Doctor of skin.
Dermatologist.
Doctor of lungs.
Pulmonologist.
Doctor of bone.
Orthopedic.
Doctor of brain.
Neurologist.
Doctor of child.
Pediatrician.
Doctor of eyes.
Ophthalmologist.
Doctor of teeth.
Dentist.
Doctor of surgery.
Surgeon.
Doctor of cancer.
Oncologist.
Doctor of animals.
Veterinarian.
Doctor of mind.
Psychiatrist.
Doctor of liver.
Hepatologist.
Doctor of women.
Gynecologist.
Doctor of stomach.
Gastroenterologists.
Doctor of ears.
Otolaryngologist.
Doctor of kidney.
Nephrologist.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel.